Hello friends, I am Karthik, a trader in stock market. In this video we are going to see Nifty option chain analysis for 15th June 2021. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. A small disclaimer. So I have taken the Nifty option chain as of 14th June 2021 and I have taken weekly 17th June 2021 weekly expiry. Okay, and the Nifty 50 closed at 15,811.85. Okay, this is the closing price. That is the Nifty closed at 15,811.85. Okay, on 14th June. Okay, so based on that I have taken the option chain data and we are going to analyze this option chain data in order to predict the market trend for 15th June 2021, that is for tomorrow. Okay, so in option chain I have taken this much data. So on the call side we have open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP, change and strike price. Okay, and call always represents resistance. Okay, this is towards left side. On the right hand side I have taken put data. Okay, for put I have taken open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP, change. Okay, and this is this strike price. Okay, and put always represents support. Okay, so first we are going to analyze the resistance. Okay, and since today market closed at 15,811, so I have taken the range of 15,800 and between 15,800 to 15,850. This is the range I have taken. Okay, and when we consider this range, the first resistance is at 15,900. Okay, before going on to first resistance, the point to be noted is at 15,800. okay, there is a huge open interest of 40,507 and volume of 9,81,867. okay, here we have a huge volume, but the point to be noted is the market is not much, that is the market is just 11 points above 50,800. okay, so the chances of, that means in order to break in order to ignore this as a resistance 1, so the market has to cross at least 40 to 50 points on on tomorrow's trade. That means the Nifty should open above 15,840 or 850 like that. Okay, so if it crosses like that, then we can think about next resistance. Okay, but meanwhile we will think that as that market will cross 15,800 and we will discuss about resistance. Okay, so the first resistance is at 15,900 and the open interest is at 34,156 and volumes is at 6,06,046. okay, this is the volumes. So this will be our first resistance, and resistance 2 is at 16,000 and the open interest is at 43,332 and volume is at 4,91,945. okay, this is our second resistance. Okay, so I am ignoring resistance 3 and resistance 4 for tomorrow's trade. Okay, because I feel that in tomorrow's trade the market crossing more than 200, it is seriously not possible, that is impossible I would say. Okay, as per my understanding the market will not go more than 200 points tomorrow. Okay, so I am stopping here at here only at resistance 2 only. I am not taking resistance 3 and resistance 4, but anything can happen in market. Okay, note down this one. So resistance 1 and resistance 2 only I am going to explain. So market will not cross 16,000 tomorrow. Okay, when it comes to support side, okay, in the support side we have a huge volume at 15,700. okay, 15,700. the volumes are 9,14,353 and open interest is 41,874. okay, this will be our major support. okay, this will be our major support. okay, and the second support is at 15,600. okay, today the market touched almost 15,600. okay, so there is a huge volume in 15,600 also, and the volumes are 5,89,762 and open interest is 31,998. okay, and when it comes to third support, the third support is at 15,500 and the volumes is 4,42,836 and open interest is at 31,781. So this is our three major supports. okay, since today the market already touched 15,600, the chances of breaking 15,700 and 15,600 can happen in tomorrow's market. okay, and we have another support at 15,300, but I am again ignoring this one because market falling almost 500 point in a day. I don't feel it will happen, especially tomorrow, so I am ignoring this one also. okay, so we can first draw a range. okay, so the range for tomorrow's market is, okay, so 15,500. so the range for tomorrow's market, you can see it as example. I will type it in Excel so that it will be very much easy for you guys to understand. okay, yeah, so the range for tomorrow's market, it will be 15,500. okay, I'll make it in this color. okay, this color, 15,500. okay, 15,600, 15,500, 15,600 and 15,700. okay, this will be the support range, and the resistance range is 15,900 to 16,000. okay, but by seeing the option chain analysis, we can see there is a huge volume at this 3 strike price, that is in 15,800 to 15,900. we have huge volume when it comes to call side. okay, similarly at 15,600 to 15,800 also we have huge volumes on put side also. okay, when you add all those things, so it will be like 10 lakh, 19 lakh. so we have 19 lakh contracts in this 3 strike price itself. okay, when you add here, so it is also almost coming, it is almost closer. okay, it is closer only, that is there is a fight going on between buyers and sellers. That is there is a big fight going on between call options and put options. okay, to conclude in which direction the market might go, to be frank, seriously we cannot predict tomorrow's market, because today's market, the market opened almost 16,000, it almost touched 16,000, then it went down, again it came back. That means I will tell you, wait, exact data I will give it to you. So today the market opened at 15,791. okay, and it made a high of 15,823. okay, then it made a low of almost 15,606. Okay, that means the market today traded at a range of almost 200 points. Okay, with this range the market was trading. Okay, it came high, it made a high, then low, again made recovery. So that means you can understand how much buying and selling pressure is happening. Okay, so to be frank, in tomorrow's market, I feel that tomorrow the market will go down. Okay, will go down because already the market has made a 52 weeks high. Okay, the market has made already 52 weeks high, and it has already break the resistance of 15,800, but again breaking this resistance, another resistance, I think it is not possible, but anything can happen tomorrow. I think I am confusing you guys. Okay, let me put it another way in the sense, how to tell you guys, let me make it a little bit clear. See, the volumes are in the call side. Okay, here you can see in the call side and in the put side. Okay, you can see the huge volume of contract has been entered. Okay, especially when it comes to 15,800 to, see, above the current price, current Nifty closed at 15,800. Okay, from 15,800 to 900 we have almost 19 lakhs contract. Okay, here we have 19 lakh contracts. When it comes to downwards, here also we have almost 19 lakhs contract. Okay, and if we consider 750 and this one also, we have almost, see, here the volumes are pretty much huge volumes when it comes to call side. Okay, so the chances of market falling tomorrow is more when you ask me. Okay, the market will fall tomorrow, otherwise you can see again a sideways market. That is, first half it might be high, second half it might become low, again in the otherwise it might, first half it might be low and the second half it might make high. So you can see a mirror image of today's market. Okay, so anything is possible. Okay, and remember one thing, stock market is always driven by news. Any one positive news can move the market in a green, and similarly any negative news can move the market to red. So please do your own research before investing in stock market and be cautious, because the market is already in 52 weeks high. Okay, 52 weeks high, the market is into 52 weeks high. Any one bad news can pull down the market drastically. Okay, so be cautious while trading. Okay,